In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save your Yahoo Mail to a flash drive or USB drive in just a few easy steps. Whether you want to back up important messages or access your emails offline on another computer, this simple method will help you keep your data safe and portable. First, open your browser and go to mail.yahoo.com, enter your Yahoo email address, click Next, then type in your password and sign in. Make sure you enter everything correctly to avoid login issues. Once you're logged into your inbox, find the email you want to save. It could be a receipt, important document, or any message you want to keep. Next, open the email and look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see a printer icon. Click on it. Don't worry, you're not actually printing anything. This feature allows you to save your email as a PDF file, which you can then store on your flash drive. After clicking the printer icon, a new print window will appear. Look for the destination section. By default, it might show a connected printer. Click the drop-down menu next to it and select Save as PDF. Once selected, click the Save button. A new dialog box will pop up asking where you'd like to save the file. Make sure your flash drive or USB drive is already plugged into your computer. In the File Explorer window, navigate to your flash drive, select it as the destination, and click Save again. Your selected Yahoo email will now be saved as a PDF document on your flash drive. You can safely remove the drive and plug it into any computer to access your saved email whenever you need it. No internet connection required. So if you want to back up multiple emails, simply repeat the same process for each message you'd like to save. You can open any important email, use the Print option, and select Save as PDF again to store it directly on your flash drive. Over time, you'll build a complete offline archive of your most valuable messages, perfect for business records, receipts, or personal correspondence. This makes it much easier to locate specific emails later without having to dig through dozens of saved files. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can safely store your Yahoo emails on a flash drive and access them anytime, even without an internet connection. Regularly backing up your emails keeps your data secure and ensures you're never at risk of losing important information. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tutorials.